Welcome to this video on the Guinea-Bissau Peso's history, spanning from 1975 to 1997. We will trace the rise and eventual fall of this old African currency. Guinea-Bissau is located in West Africa, having gained independence from Portugal. Significantly, it is surrounded by nations using the West African CFA franc, a factor crucial to its monetary future. 1975 marked the birth of the Guinea-Bissau Peso, replacing the Portuguese Guinean escudo. The new peso was introduced at a 1-to-1 parity with the old colonial escudo. The nation's currency included coins ranging from 50 centavos up to 20 pesos. 100 centavos equaled 1 peso. Early series banknotes, dated September 1975, served as a national canvas. They featured national heroes, scenes of villagers, the central bank in Bissau, and the history of slavery. The era of Amílcar Cabral saw the introduction of higher denomination notes from 1,000 to 10,000 pesos. Cabral's face unified these designs, alongside themes like fieldwork and fishermen. During the PEG era, from 1975 to 1983, the peso was tied to foreign anchors. It started at parity with the Portuguese escudo, shifted down, and later anchored to the special drawing rights, or SDR. The Great Devaluation began in 1983. The peso rapidly lost monetary value, dropping from 44 pesos per SDR to 88, and later plummeting against the US dollar and the Portuguese escudo. This led to a hyperinflation crisis, where money lost its power. Constant price increases destroyed savings, and massive stacks of cash were needed to buy everyday goods. The national currency could no longer sustain the economy. In 1997, the peso's life ended with the adoption of the CFA franc at a rate of 65 pesos to 1 CFA franc. This transition moved the country from an independent currency to a shared regional currency union. The change had a ripple effect. The adoption of the CFA franc in 1997 led to steep price shocks and immediate inflation, which contributed to severe social unrest and the 1998 coup. Despite its failure, the Guinea-Bissau peso maintains a numismatic legacy today. It is a highly sought-after collector's item and a physical record of the nation's independence struggle and culture. In summary, the peso's life cycle included a birth as a symbol of independence, a struggle marked by failed anchors and hyperinflation, and an end with the adoption of the CFA franc, triggering historical shocks.